So I don't know if this is just the perfect kind of epitome of my gardening experiences, but this is the little lychee that we bought. That is the Kwai Mei pink lychee. This one was really discounted. Half of the plant had kind of died off, which obviously they're, from what I've been told, they can be a little finicky. And the other one we bought at full price, this one I think was like half price. It was quite a good deal. The other one that we put in has lost most of its leaves, and I think it's doing okay, but like I think it's alive. I don't know that I'd say okay, but it is really struggling, and that was the one we kind of spent quite a bit of money on and really agonized over the spot and everything like that. Now this one here is planted in this massive mound of soil because this part of the garden, the soil is really, really poor, and I want to give this lychee a really good chance to take over. And if it takes over from the olive tree behind it, it will be the replacement tree and it'll be really, really good. But whether that's going to happen or not is just totally up in the air. However, I obviously can water this because this is right in the veggie garden. It could potentially in the future shade out our pineapples a little bit, but we'll deal with that problem when we get to it. However, the reason I'm here today giving you an update is because it's covered in new growth. It's got all these little leaves here. This little leaf here, which is all twirled over, actually has a tiny little green spider in it who went running in when I came over. And I think he's holding the blankets over his head at the moment. But, you know, he's there taking care of the pests, and this is going really, really well. And I may have mentioned it in other videos, but the recommendation I got was do not fertilize your lychees until they're well established because it can kill them. And I am sticking with that for the moment. This is going awesome. I'm really, really happy. It was one of those purchases where I saw it, it was cheap, and I went, ooh, that's a good deal. And it's going great. And I gotta say, the amount of times the cheap plants that I've bought and the cheap vegetables and the cheap citrus and things like that that I bought and just planted have gone better than the ones that I've spent more money on, full price, picked the best one out of the shop. All that kind of stuff is really getting pretty innumerable at this point in time. So I will keep you updated on this one because I got really, really high hopes because I love lychees as well. But for the moment, obviously really, really positive. And this is in summer, so it's the kind of hardiest and the most challenging time of year for new plantings, and this is going okay. So really good.